guys, may bago na naman ako laro. Escape the Zombie Part 2. Okay, Part 2 to, Part 2. Ito. Kaya, let's go. Kailangan hindi tayo makabul ng zombie at hindi tayo mamatay. Uy, nandito siya. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Ouch. Anday. I'm gonna lose. Because cow cheese will be used the baby cow cheese. We like seeing because she's a little baby cow cheese. God. She can see me. Where'd he go? Cow cheese. Cow cheese. Cloudy, it's time to go cloudy. Cloudy, it's not good for your health. Cloudy, cloudy, it's not good for your health. Cloudy, cloudy, it's not good for ouchie. Cloudy, it's not good for you. Cloudy, it belongs to me. The baby cow-cheese, NBC the cat, the baby cow-cheese, cow-cheese, where are you cow-cheese? Ouch, my God, oh my God, it's sunny today, cow-cheese, cow-cheese, let's go to couches. Couches ba? Maya na lang natin tuloy yung part 2. For couches ng hahabol. Maya na lang po, tuloy yung part 2. Pwede po. Maya na po tuloy yung part 2. Kaya bye-bye. Basta maniwala ka sa akin, tutuloy ko talaga yung part 2. Ay, sorry.